Nice to meet you again. Now, in our previous lesson, we look at collecting and handling data, where we look at what data is, and then how to collect data, and then how to represent data in a table form. Now, this lesson, we are going to look at how to represent data on a pictograph. And a pictograph, it looks similar to that of the tabular form or the frequency table. But this time around, because you have pic here, means picture, we are going to use picture. So if you cannot draw like myself, then you have to find someone to teach you how to draw. We have our data here ready. This one, I stored it yesterday, I will use it. This one is for orange. This one is for banana. And then apple. So we are going to draw our table. And then we use that same data as we use for this one. So we're trying to have our table nicely. Just like the other one. Now the first part, I told you, the data is about fruits. So we write fruit here. Fruits, yes. This time around we are creating only 2 columns because we are not including tally mark. At this time we put what? The number of people. Number of people. Now I told you that this one tells what the data is about. The data is about fruits that people are interested in. And then this one tells us those that we took the data from. So we took it from what? People. And then the fruits were 3. The first one is orange, so we have our orange here. The second one was banana. And the last one is apple. Okay, now if it was to be on the frequency table, we'll be writing numbers here. We bring our tally here. But this one I told you that it's pictograph, so we are going to draw pictures. We are going to draw. If my drawing is not nice, please take it like that. You also draw yours for me to see. So we said how many people chose orange? 4. So we draw our orange here. Thank you. So we have our 4 oranges there. And then banana. Banana is what? 5. Okay. Banana is 5. And then apples we have 6. So we have 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 apples. So now this is our pictograph. All the difference between this is that we are going to draw. So we have our fruit here, number of people here, and we represent it with what picture. Now, if we have to also what interpret the data that we have. So if you look at the table and then someone asks you, now which fruit did the most people selected or most people liked? You look at the apples here, you see that this one has more, it's a seed, so this one is 6. So most people enjoyed apple or preferred what? Apple. Which fruit did the least people prefer? You see this one is 4, so orange is the fruit that the least people what? Prefer. And then let's say we ask you how many people preferred banana. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people preferred what? Banana. How many people preferred orange? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people preferred what? Orange. Which fruit did 4 people prefer? That one we go to the fruit column. So that's the difference between the two. Which fruit did 4 people prefer? So you see this one, 4 people. Now which fruit is orange? But if the question is saying, how many people preferred banana? Now you go to banana here. It said how many people? So we go and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people preferred banana. So that is it for our pictograph. Now the next thing we are going to look at is how to represent the data on a graph. The data on a graph. Because this is the main concern, I'll leave this one, clean this one and use this place to draw our graph. Now the graph looks different small. The graph looks different small. So we pay attention. Now we are going to have a vertical line here. A vertical line here. Okay. And then a horizontal line in this way. Okay. Now below here, we are going to have the kinds of fruits here. The kinds of fruits here. So we have 1, 2, 3, only 3 fruits. So we have orange for this side. We have banana for this side. Then the last one is what? Apples. Okay, we don't need this one. Can read it, but we don't need it. And then this side will represent the number of people. So it's the same as the table. Let's write fruits here. They are very important. You write them there, fruits here. Then this side you write number of people. Okay, now we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let us try and recall something. Orange, how many people preferred orange? From my recorded video that 4 people preferred what? Orange. So we just draw. Here is 4. Orange is here, so we draw from here. Here. Now, 4 from this we can tell that 4 people preferred what? Orange. How many people preferred banana? Let's see. 5 people preferred banana. So 5 is here. If you are using a graph sheet, that's what we usually use to draw this. There are lines there already. If you are using exercise book 2, there will be lines there. I'm using board, there's no line, so that's why I brought this dot. Okay. So banana, 5 people. 5 people prefer banana. So I calculate the time from there. 5 people prefer banana. What about apple? From here we have 6 people preferring what? Apple. So apple is 6. Okay. So we have represented our data on a graph form too. On a graph form. So this one is on a graph representing data on a graph. Okay. Representing data on graph. Okay. Represented on graph. So from this, let us try and answer some questions. Looking at this. Now, which fruit did the most people enjoy? Which fruit did the most people enjoy? You see this one is color. So which fruit is apple? Which fruit did the least people enjoy? Number of people here, the least is this orange. The least people enjoy orange. And then we say, just like we said the other time. So this is how we represent data. In class 3, you're only looking at it in 3 ways. Representing data in a tabular form, representing data on a pictograph, and the last one, representing data on what? A graph. Okay, we will meet online and then have further discussion on this. If you have questions and other things, you ask me. Bye bye, and see you again.